Today I am going to take you the third lesson, the Kids Club. Okay. See, I take page number, those who are having the book, take page number 26. Here you can see some of the activities are given. So you want to rate the activities by coloring the stars. Which activities do you like the most? You see the activities and color them. Okay. Now I am going to read the lesson. Those who are having the book, open your book and see page number 27. The three children could not find a place to play. What did they do? Read and find out. Characters: Gautam, Sanaya, Saif, Uncle Venu. Gautam, Sanaya and Saif live in a building called Bharat Apartments. It has 12 floors. However, there is no place for children to play. The only place where they can play is the staircase. Okay, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif, they lived in a building called Bharat Apartment. Their apartment is called Bharat. So, they has 12 floors. How many floors? 12 floors. However, there is no place for the children to play. The only place where they can play is the staircase. Staircase means steps. Sanaya: I don't like the staircase. It is dark and dirty. Gautam: it is the best place to play. Come, I'll show you how to have fun. Let's take the lift to the top floor. The children quickly go upstairs. Gautam: come on, get busy. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. Sanaya: ring a bell? Why? Gautam: to see the fun. Come on, start running or they will catch you. They press the doorbells of 3 flats and run down the stairs. 6 floors below, they stop to listen the angry voices. First voice: what is going on here? Second voice: who rang the bell? Third voice: wait till I catch you. Saif: this is the best game I have ever played. So Sanaya said, I don't like the staircase. Because why he doesn't like the staircase? It is dark and dirty. Gautam said, it is the best place to play. Come on, I will show you how to have a fun. Let us take the lift to the top floor. So the children quickly go upstairs. Gautam said, come on, get on busy. Everyone should ring a doorbell. He said, and ran. Sanaya: ring a bell. Why? So to see the fun. Come on, start running. Ring a bell and come down fast. Otherwise they will catch you. They press the doorbells of 3 flats and run down the stairs. 6 floors below, they heard a voice, angry voice. They listened to the angry voice because the children rang the bell of the doorbell of their house. The first voice: what is going on here? The second voice: who rang the bell? Then the third voice said, wait till I catch you. Saif said, this is the best game I have ever enjoyed. Okay, next, take page number 28. Gautam said, come on, let us do it again. For a whole week, the children do it again and again. They do not get caught. Then one day, they ring the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. A man opens the door. The man said, who is there? I know you kids have been troubling everyone. Come back, I want to talk to you. Saif said, let's run. Sanaya: oh, Gautam's fallen and hurt himself. We have to help him. Gautam: oh, my leg, he said. Saif: come on, get up, Gautam, get up. The man is coming down. Gautam: you run, I can't move. Sanaya: we will not leave you here. The man catches up with them. The man said, you naughty children, how can you disturb people like this? It is a very rude thing to do. Then he bends over Gautam and feels his leg gently. The man said, I don't think you have broken any bones. It's just a cut. Come with me. I will bandage it. The children follow the man into his flat. Okay, so for the whole week the children played the same game again and again. They do not get caught, but then one day they rang the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. One day they rang the bell on the 8th floor. 8th floor they rang the bell of a flat. A man opens the door. He said, who is there? Who is there? You are troubling us. You are troubling everyone. You have been troubling everyone. Come back. I want to talk with you. He said. Safe said, come on children, let us run. The man is going to catch us. But Sanaya said, oh Gautam. At that time Gautam, he fell down and hurt himself. We have to help him. Oh, Gautam said, oh, my leg, my leg. He cried in pain. Saif said, come on, Gautam, come on, get up, get up. The man is coming down. So Gautam said, you can run, but I can't. I can't move from this place, he said. Then Sanaya said, we will not leave you here. We will not leave you alone. So at that time, the man came down and caught all the boys. He said, you naughty children, you are troubling everyone in the floor. Why you are disturbing? It is a very rude thing to do these things and all. Then he bends over Gautam and helped him. No bone is broken, so it is just a cut. The man helped Gautam and he bandaged it. The man helped Gautam by bandaging the hurt. Next, the children follow the man into his flat. Man said, come in children, I am Venugopal, let's be friends. Call me Uncle Venu. Tell me, why have you been troubling everyone? Sanaya said, we are sorry Uncle Venu, but there is no place for us to play. Uncle Venu, I have an idea. I have an extra room in my house. We can start a kids club here. You kids can meet here and do whatever you like, except rude things like ringing other people's doorbells and running away. Uncle Venu smiles and pats Sanaya's cheek. Children, we are so sorry, Uncle. Uncle Venu said, you must apologize to everyone you have bothered. Children, yes, we will thank you for being so kind. So, Uncle Venugopal, uncle name was Venugopal, he helped Gautam in bandaging his hurt. So, the children follow the man into his flat. So, the uncle said, my name is Venugopal, let us be friends. Come on children, call me Uncle Venu, he said. Tell me, why you are troubling everyone in the flat, he asked. They said, uncle, we have no place in this apartment to play. That's why we are ringing everyone's doorbells and running away. So for that, Uncle Venu said, children, I have an idea. I have an extra room in my home. So you come to my home and there you can meet here and go. Here you can start a kids club. In this club, if you start a kids club, means you can come and meet and discuss anything and you can play and you can share everything, he said. So I have an extra room in my home. So here you come and form a kids club, he said. So but you should not do the rude things like ringing the doorbells, other people's doorbells and running away. These are rude things, he said. So Uncle Venu smiles and pats. Pat means to strike gently. Pat. He pats the children and he went. The children said, uncle, please excuse us, uncle. Here afterwards we won't do like this. So the Uncle Venu, he apologized, he gave excuse to everyone. He said, the children, thank you uncle for being so kind. Understood? Here children, understood? I hope you would have understood this lesson. The children have no place to play, so they rang the bell of everyone's doorbell and running away. Then at last, while doing this, Gautam fell and hurt himself. At that time, Uncle Venu helped him in bandaging his wound, and he took the children to his home, and he said, "Why you are troubling everyone?" he asked. For that the children said, "We have no place to play in the apartment, uncle." He said, "I have an extra room in my house, so you can form kids club here and you can enjoy whatever the things you want to do. You can do everything in the club," he said. So the children thanked Uncle Venu and went away. This is the story. Understood? Here are meanings, some words meanings I have given. What is the meaning for apartments? Apartment means furnished single or set of rooms in a large building. Next, plot means shoot of room, stretch, otherwise stretch of land. The board I have written some words meanings, you listen. Apartment means what? Furnished single or set of rooms in a large building. Understood? Plot means shoot of room or stretch of land. Understood? Pat means to strike gently, to strike gently. Next, apologies means excuse. Apologies, excuse. Bothered means troubled. Bothered, trouble. Okay. So go through the lesson, read and learn the hard words from the lesson, children. But use a dictionary to find out the hard words meanings. Okay. Children, listen. You want to, here I have given some words. You want to write the short form of these verbs. They will. How will you write the short form of this one? They will. They, then apostrophe followed by double L. Understood? They will. They'll. Next, I will. I will. How will it? I'll. I'll. I apostrophe then double L. Understood? The short form of I will is I'll. Next, she will. What is the short form of she will? She'll. SHE, she. Then apostrophe double L. Understood? Next, children, we are going to the grammar part, verbs. What are verbs? Action words or doing words are called verb. Understood? Playing, running, jump, see, look, hurt, cry, laugh. These are all some action words. So, action words are called verbs. Action words or doing words are called verbs. Here you can see these special verbs. These are all helping verbs or be form of verbs. Is, am, are. So, when you are using is, if the noun or thing is in singular, if a noun, if a person or thing is in singular, it is, we are using is. Understood? So, she is playing. So, always start the sentence with capital, and if it is a statement mean, put a full stop. So, she is a singular person. So, singular, if the noun is singular, otherwise if a thing is singular means you want to use is. Understood? Second one, for you should use am only for I only. Am you should use for I only. I am going to Chennai. So, for I only you should use this verb am. Understood? Am you want to use for only I. Next, when the noun or thing is in plural, the children, here it is plural. Children is child, child singular, children plural. So, the noun is in the plural form. So, here you are using the verb are. Understood? The children are playing. The children are playing. So, if the noun is singular, you should use is. Here you think. Pen is used for writing. Suppose thing means pen. You can say parrot is flying. The crow is flying. Okay. Next, I comes means am only use. Next, the children, it is in the plural form. So, you should use are. The children are playing. Otherwise, the crows are flying. Parrots are flying. Okay. Roses are beautiful. Understood? Children, listen, these two verbs. Was is the past tense of is. Where is the past tense of are is the where is the past tense of are. Understood? These two verbs tell us about something that happened in the past. So these two verbs that this tells about something that happened in the past, yesterday, last week, okay, last year, 10 years back, 100 years back. So these two verbs tells us that the things happened in the past. Okay. So here you can see Saranya was my neighbor. Okay. Was. Here you are using was. Next, the children were playing football. Those children, plural. So for the past action, the action which was happened in the past. So you are using were. Okay. So the children were playing football. Understood? Children, those who are having the books, go through the lesson 1 or 2 or 3 times. Reading is very, very important. Vocabulary is very, very important in English. So go through the lesson, read at least 2 or 3 paragraphs in a day. So next book back exercise, I will give you the key material. In the key material you can see the answers. So go read well and prepare for the exam. Thank you.